What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Samsung has already started rolling out the May security patch for the Galaxy S26 series. I've got this Galaxy S26 Ultra here with a beautiful Pitaka case. If you're interested, you can check out my video about these cases. I recently posted that video. I will leave a link for that in the description. Now in today's video, I will be talking about the security patch for May, and I'll also be talking about a new feature on Gemini, which I missed out in my previous video where I spoke about all the new update for Gemini and some of the Google applications. Let's dive in. Let's go to the settings here, tap on software update and check for update. I have already downloaded the update here. The size is 563.82 MB, fairly large, and the version number ends with AZE2, and the One UI version is of course One UI 8.5, and the security patch level 5th May 2026. And in the changelog, there's nothing mentioned. It's all about the device stability and security. The device is protected with improved security. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and restart the device and come back to you guys, and let's see if, how is the device performing, and let's also check out that new Gemini feature. Let me restart it. I will come back to you guys in a bit. Alright, now the phone has been updated and it is running very smoothly without any issues. Let's open a few applications and check out how the phone is running. Before we start, let's make sure everything is closed. Yes, let's go with calendar, camera application, clock, dialer, gallery, calculator, X, wallpapers. So it's very smooth. Let me go ahead and open the recent apps. You can see no issues whatsoever, no stutters. It's very smooth on the S26 series. Let's open the quick panel here, notification panel. Look at that, it is so smooth. Such a cool, nice bouncy effect here, which happened on the One UI 8. There is no issue whatsoever when it comes to animations and lags and stutters. Now let's quickly check if there is any new Google Play System update, security and privacy, update section. I am still stuck in the month of March. Let's see if there is anything new. Again, there is nothing new here. It's just an incremental update that I have. Most of you guys would have already got the April Google Play System update. Let me know if you've got that or not. Now, it's time to talk about the brand new Gemini. I did discuss about this in my previous video, but what I missed out to show you is the interface when you interact with Gemini. Let's open Gemini here. This is the brand new interface that we have with the brand new search bar, with the drop down on the top, with thinking level options like standard thinking level, extended thinking level, all new options. We've got the new temporary chat over here. And when you go to the hamburger menu, your account or the profile is sitting right here at the bottom now. So there are a lot of changes which has taken place on the Gemini app today. Some of you guys would have already received this update a couple of days back, but many of you guys would be getting it very soon. Now, let's go with live. When we talk to Gemini on live mode, you will see a beautiful gradient effect on the page. Let's try that. Tell me something about One UI 9 and its features.
One UI 9, which launched in May 2026 based on Android 17, brings a lot of exciting updates across creativity, accessibility, security, and customization. On the accessibility front, it introduces a text spotlight feature that displays selected text larger in a floating window, a combined talkback package, and adjustable mouse key speed for smoother cursor control. Security has also been enhanced to better protect you against suspicious.
That is so cool, right? That background, the gradient, dynamic gradient effect in the background look just fantastic. And I just love it when I look at the screen when that effect is going on in the background. So that is the all new Gemini. Do check out my previous video today, which I posted about the all new updates on Gemini and the updates for the Google messaging application and a few more tech news. Do check out my previous video, and do let me know whether you got the all new update, the May security patch on your S26 series. Drop a comment, and if you love this wallpaper, the glass wallpaper that you see on the home screen, you can check that out on the Volvo's wallpaper application under collections. You can open glass wallpapers. You will see all beautiful looking glass wallpapers with some AMOLED effects. Do check it out. The link for the app is in the description, and if you could leave it a rating on Play Store, maybe a 5-star rating on Play Store would be much appreciated. That definitely keeps me going on the Volvos. And yeah, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel to know your phone better. That's about it. That's something which I wanted to share with you guys. Thanks for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. I'll see you in the next one soon. Cheers. Bye-bye.